Wepop, yo. The only place that's veteran grown, learning to get your own homegrown. Stick with us, that's all.
Today's episode is a big announcement for us over here at Wepop Gardening. We are yet again working with another fantastic company and excited to bring this to y'all. So today's video is brought to you by none other than Mars Hydro. Stay tuned.
Grab a tent and join the crew. This is the Wepop Show. Always real and veteran grown, growing tall and wall to wall. Stack them up to watch them fall. The new growers, come chill with me. I'll help you get where you want to be. Hang out and show some love. Share your thoughts and give some input. This is the Wepop Show. Always real and veteran grown, growing tall and wall to wall. Stack them up to watch them fall. The Canna family is amazing, it's true. So much love from me to you. Sub up if you're new to the crew, or drop some love if you're just sliding through. No matter what you decide to do, we just really want to help you do the absolute best you can do.
Mars Hydro reached out to me and we came to terms on a sponsorship. So I'm bringing to you the unboxing of the 4x4 kit that they offer over there. This has obviously been set up. Y'all that have been here at the channel have seen it. But this is that high reflective walls, tear-proof 1680D Oxford fabric, robust metal frame, strong and smooth zippers, and it's got the multiple vents in there to let you exhaust in and out and get you some fresh air in there, fam. And for the big daddy, so they done sent over the FC-6500 with the EVO, pushing 730 watts, uniform PPFD, dimmable and daisy chain, fam. This is part of the kit for their 4x4 grow kit. The ballast here, they've made them a little smaller, fam, which is awesome. The ballast on the other products that I've gotten from them have been massive. This is definitely way more manageable, updated. The dimmable controllers look way more ideal for what we're trying to do here. This also comes with the iConnect-U, which is ran off the app. Comes with your hanging kit, your mounts if you want to run it inside the tent, and obviously your power cord, fam. That light is banging, y'all. Let's see if I can get you over here and get you a clean shot of that. Look at that. Mars Hydro, baby. FC-6500, fam. So as part of the grow kit, this also comes with the whole kit itself, like scissors, got your camera mounts, water bottle mounts. Check these out, fam. Dang leaves on them. That's slick, and these are wide. These are your larger bases here. Like, you get all up in there. 6-inch oscillating fan, which is cool because this fan actually has the option to set it to oscillate 45 degrees or 90 degrees, which I think is pretty epic. So you can like maintain your degrees of what you want to cover in the tent. Mute running at a low noise level. This thing runs below 40 dB on blast, so that's pretty friggin' awesome. These are your iConnect-U's controllers for your Bluetooth and running your whole system from the remotes themselves. Also comes with a 24-hour timer if you need that. Accessories for mounting and hanging everything, fam. I mean, it is the complete rundown. So this is also the iFresh 6-inch inline fan. Comes with the easy class for removable or removing your ductwork and cleaning everything up. Comes with a 6-inch filter and pre-filter. It's nice and narrow. It's not all massive. Like, that's probably 10 to 12 inches max for the whole thing. Connect that in. It's gonna be nice. Black ductwork, double layered for durability, less tearing. And the kit also comes with the Mars Hydro 3 gallon fabric pots, fam, to get you started in your grow. I was excited to bring this to y'all, and wanted to get this set up in this 4x4 so we could finish out this spicy guava strong. I'm gonna hit it with a ton of wattage, fam. I'm excited, super excited. Glad to bring this to y'all. Y'all end up Mars Hydro and want to go get you some, code WEPOP, save you 3% over there, fam, on anything in the store, online there. I'm gonna go ahead and get set up here, and we're gonna get this situated so we can get to blasting that spicy guava, y'all.
Wall to wall, stack them up to watch them fall. Tall and wall to wall, stack them up to watch them fall. From popping seeds, cloning too, I got you covered whatever you're into. We grow them tall and lush as we want to. Grab a tent and join the crew. This is the Wepop Show, always real and veteran grown. Growing tall and wall to wall, stack them up to watch them fall. New growers, come chill with me. I'll help you get where you want to be. Hang out and show some love. Share your thoughts and give some input. This is the Wepop Show, always real and veteran grown. Growing tall and wall to wall, stack them up to watch them fall. The can of
Alright, fam, so pull back out of the tent here and get y'all set up here on the Z Fold again so we can go over this. So you got the Mars Pro app here. You just download it, pull it up, set your profile. This is your add-on for adding new equipment. Currently, because we're just doing the lights and the inline fan, I wanted to show y'all this cool little feature here. So the app's pretty epic. You got full control over your lighting. You can run up to 100%. I currently have this at 50 on the auto side for the timer. So I'm gonna go into this timer setup over here, let y'all see that. So we got 10:30 a.m. to 10:30 p.m. Look, sunrise, sunset, fam. So you can switch this out to run sunrise, sunset mode, like the increase and decrease, 30 minutes, 15, all the way down to turning it off if you want to, before the lights go into full blast on what you have your settings set at. So I'm gonna slow roll it and run it 30 minutes because that's typically a sunrise and a sunset, somewhere in that ballpark. And I got my switch set to 50%. which right now, I'll go back here and show you guys this. So on the inline fan side, that runs your sensor right now, which, because I'm on the Z Fold, I can't really show you all that, so let me close that right quick. But you pull this up, look, 73.9 degrees Fahrenheit. We're at 48.9 degrees in the, or humidity in the tent there. It's got your VPD, which I think is awesome. Wind speed for the inline fan, how much air volume is going there, and what the air pressure is inside, which is crazy control, y'all. You can also set these up on timers for wind speed or cycles, you know, loop configurations. If you want to continue to have movement in there, even if you're not hitting your marks for like where you want your fans to engage and all that. It's a pretty slick design, and being able to control the whole element of the grow. I'm excited for these guys to send me over that controller so we can get into all that. But it's got the option to add in strips, timers, and then obviously your controller. So once I get that controller in, I'm gonna set that up and I'll be able to see my CO2 levels and everything on the grow side. I think that's going to be super awesome. But I wanted to show you guys this. This is fantastic. The whole point of growing is to mimic what the outdoors would do. So as far as it goes, I think this is a real game changer as far as grows go with products. And I wanted to show y'all that. So you can also run like a scene, which you can set it up for seedlings, growth, like vegetative stage, and then flowering. Set up your cycle days. I mean, this has a full functional detail on everything that you can manage inside with this Mars Hydro setup. So again, y'all, if you're interested in anything you've seen, they got a 420 sale going on this weekend. Take advantage. It's 420, y'all. You use code WEPOP, save yourself 3% in addition to specific sales. Some exclusions do apply. Just want to let y'all know that. But yeah, fam, head on over there. Get yourself set up if Mars Hydro is your thing. I am super happy and excited to announce this to y'all, and looking forward to the future endeavors with the company over there. And can't wait to see what this is gonna do, that spicy guava, y'all. But 420 sales coming up and going on. Y'all go get you some. I'm gonna drop a link over here to the spicy guava update from last week, so y'all can go check that out and get caught up. And stay tuned on the rest of the run. We'll see how this FC-6500 gets it for the flower phase, y'all. We're gonna just jump right into it. Super happy to have y'all, fam. New people, thank you for being here. Sub up if you're interested in hanging out with us. We're doing lives on 420, y'all. Gonna have a bunch of content creators. We're just gonna be hanging out all day, chilling, smoking, doing your thing, do whatever it is you do. Just come hang out with us. Come chill with us. We just want to hang out and get to know y'all, fam. Appreciate y'all as always. Much love, and until next time, y'all. Peace.